Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Assalamu wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, if I meet the Imam when he is in sujood and before I finish my inaugurating takbir or before I reach the ground, the Imam has risen from sujood and sat between the two prostrations. If but if I still go into sujood, on accident, will my prayer still be valid?
I don't understand your question. The Imam is in the first sujood. Where are you?
Yes. I am about to join him.
Why did you not join him immediately?
No, he was quite late into the sujood.
Okay, so if you did not delay going into sujood, rather he was very quick, saying Allahu Akbar, and by the time you moved, he said Allahu Akbar and sat down, your prayer is valid. Continue and move on. But if you were saying, no, I was doing dua, oh, I was doing this, I was doing that, I'm too slow, then you have to repeat the rak'ah.